Dear colleagues, Namaste. I welcome you heartily to this 2 weeks online FDP course on Learn Moodle via Moodle, an outcome-based approach, which is jointly organized by Jai Mahakali Shikshan Sanstha's Agnihotri Institute of Pharmacy and Agnihotri College of Pharmacy, Varda. Dear colleagues, in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, the teaching learning process has been totally hampered, and we are working from home. The students as well as teachers are not in contact for last 3 to 4 months. Now, in this situation, online teaching learning process is the only solution which we should ponder over. Therefore, dear colleagues, while staying positive and safe at home or in our colleges, we have to see how we can utilize various tools for online teaching and create our course using free Genomio Moodle learning management system. And for that matter, you can use any LMS, but after doing the research, we are of the opinion that Genomio Moodle learning management system can bring the interactive learning to the students. So with this welcome note, I take this opportunity to thank Agnihotri College of Pharmacy and Agnihotri Institute of Pharmacy, Varda, who have taken these pains to organize this FDP at a very right and opportune time. When we have to expose ourselves to the online teaching learning process, this course will empower the teachers to use online teaching tools, as well as they can create their own course using Genomio Moodle as LMS. Let me thank Dr. Dharmendra Mundra sir, Principal Agnihotri College of Pharmacy, who is the course convener, and co-convener Mr. Dinesh Vanjari, who is the principal in charge of Agnihotri Institute of Pharmacy, Varda. I also thank course coordinators Dr. Ram Bavankar and Mr. Mahesh Hadke, along with all their organizing committee. So, dear colleagues, let us understand why this course has been designed. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, we have only one option to start our online teaching, because the students will be at home and we will have to take this baton of ensuring learning by the students staying at home. Then once we decide to teach online, we have to see which are the best softwares that are available for online teaching. We have to create our own learning resources by using this software tools. So we need to learn which are the best tools that can create effective learning resources. Then we will have to see and choose the best learning management system, and then we should be able to create a Genomio Moodle site, update our course, implement that for the students, and ensure maximum student participation and achievement of maximum learning outcomes by the student. Therefore, this course has been designed to empower the teaching fraternity to learn and utilize various learning resources, as well as to use and create Genomio Moodle course. Let us now see what are the objectives of this course. After successful completion, the learners will be able to enlist free software for online teaching. They will be able to design amazing presentations and animate the content using PowerPoint 10 and above. They will be able to create their video resource using suitable software, and then we will be focusing towards designing the course using Gnomio Moodle, whereby we will be adding various resources like page, URL, file, and activities like quiz, games. We'll be learning how to add restriction access and activity completion progress bar. We will also learn to enroll the students in our course, import and export options in Moodle, and so many other features which are there in Moodle. So the important objective of this course is to make you total proficient in handling Moodle course. What are the benefits of joining this course? I congratulate you for joining this course because you are going to do this course totally online. The course will be totally activity based, and you will be getting certification after some successful completion of this course. And you are going to learn new tools for online teaching, and you will learn with confidence how to use Gnomio Moodle for creating and updating the course for your students. After having seen the benefits, we'll see what we are going to cover in the course. Week 1, we'll be focusing on components of online teaching and creation of learning resources like that of PowerPoint presentations, animations, and video creation. In week 2, we will be focusing totally on creation of Gnomio Moodle course along with utilizing all the features of Gnomio Moodle. How we are going to make Gnomio Moodle course very lively and interacting with the students. So in these 2 weeks, we are going to cover online teaching and Gnomio Moodle. So what is expected from participants? You are expected to watch 15 videos as learning resources every week. Solve the practice quiz after each learning resource. Submit the activities assigned every week in time. Ensure academic ethics and integrity. Follow the timelines and finish the course, because no certificate will be issued till all the activities are completed and you fulfill set eligibility criteria. Now let's see what is the eligibility criteria for certification. The learners have to watch all the videos carefully and they have to solve quizzes after videos. Kindly note, the LBD quiz is only for micro practice and the scores will not be considered for final grading. Okay, then all the weekly assignments, there will be 2 assignments, one in week 1 and another in week 2. So all these weekly assignments are to be completed within given time frame. If you perform it, then a star performer badge will be issued every week to you. At least 50% grades are essential for weekly assignments. Therefore, take it in a very positive manner. We want you to learn how to implement your Gnomio Moodle course and how to create the learning resources. Fourth important point is academic ethics and integrity needs to be followed, because kindly note that plagiarism, copying, irrelevant submission will not be acceptable. Not only this, just you will find that for eligibility, all the activities should be complete. That is videos, LBD quizzes, assignments, discussion forum, and feedback. In case of assignment, it is only thing which will be taken into consideration. You should get at least 50% grade. But if you submit something invalid, like without submission, you will say the course was nice and will not submit anything, then that will be a invalid submission. So for invalid submission, the things will be very differently treated. So if you complete your activities within time frame, you will be awarded with star performer badge. If you get at least average 50% grades, you will ensure the certificate. But if you do the invalid submissions, you will be suspended directly from the course. It is just because we want you to learn out of this course, and therefore we ensure that your wholehearted learning is happening. So with this, let me thank you and wish you a very happy learning. So let us be together, interact for the next 2 weeks. Thank you.